In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up ClickUp account. Backing up your ClickUp account is a simple way to protect your tasks, docs, and workspace structure in case something goes wrong or you need a historical snapshot. In just a few clicks, you can export your workspace data and store it safely offline or in your preferred drive. Start by opening ClickUp in your browser or the desktop app and sign in. Make sure you're in the correct workspace, especially if you're part of multiple workspaces. Backups are managed at the workspace level, so you'll need the appropriate permissions. If you don't see the options I mentioned, check with your workspace owner or admin. Once you're in, click your workspace name. You'll usually find it near the top left or in the sidebar. That opens a menu where you can access settings for the entire workspace. Choose Settings here. This is different from personal profile settings. Workspace settings control the data and configuration that apply to everyone in that space, which is where backups live. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled Imports, Exports. This area is designed for moving data in and out of ClickUp. Imports help you bring information from other tools, while exports let you create a backup of your current workspace data. Go ahead and open Imports, plus Exports. Now click the Export button. ClickUp will start preparing your backup. Depending on how large your workspace is, how many tasks, attachments, and docs you have, this may take a moment. You might see a progress indicator, and when it's ready, you'll get a downloadable file. Save it somewhere secure, like an encrypted folder, an external drive, or a trusted cloud storage location you control. Because exports can include sensitive project details, treat the backup like any other confidential file. A few quick best practices can make your backups even more reliable. Add today's date to the file name so you can quickly tell versions apart later. Keep at least 2 copies in separate locations in case one drive fails. If your organization has data retention or compliance rules, store the backup according to those policies. And if your workspace is very large, plan the export at a time when you won't be interrupted, since preparation can take longer. That's all there is to it. Head to ClickUp, open your workspace, Settings, go to Imports, Exports, and click Export. With a consistent routine and secure storage, you'll always have a reliable snapshot of your ClickUp workspace when you need it.